Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend, the channel where horsepower meets heritage. Today, we're diving into a legendary nameplate reborn with brutal power and classic flair, the 2026 Chevy Nova 454. And yes, Chevy really did it. They brought back the beast, and it's bolder than ever. Collision fire. Let's start with the look, because this isn't just a tribute, it's a full-on resurrection of a muscle car icon. The 2026 Nova keeps the compact, aggressive stance we remember from the golden era, but everything's been sharpened and modernized. You get that iconic long hood, short deck profile, and bulging rear fenders that scream speed even while standing still. Up front, the Nova features quad LED headlights nestled in a blacked-out grille, paying homage to its heritage. Along the side, you'll spot bold 454 badging and a clean body line that flows into a ducktail spoiler at the rear, functional, stylish, and pure muscle. But now, let's pop that hood, because this is where things get real. Powering this beast is a modern take on the legendary 454 big block V8, now updated with fuel injection and performance tech for 2026. We're talking 505 horsepower and over 600 pound-feet of torque, sent straight to the rear wheels. And yes, that rumble is real. Chevy tuned the exhaust to deliver that deep, throaty growl that sends chills down your spine. Start it up and it shakes the ground, just like the original. The transmission options are every enthusiast's dream, a 6-speed manual for that old-school feel, or an optional 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters. Whether you're ripping down the quarter mile or cruising on the open highway, the Nova 454 doesn't just move, it dominates. Now, muscle meets modern inside the cabin. Step in and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit with a retro-inspired dash, analog-style gauges with digital readouts, and classic touches like aluminum trim and vintage stitching. It's nostalgia with a 21st-century twist. You've also got the tech you need. A floating touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, performance telemetry, launch control settings, and a booming 10-speaker Bose system, because nothing pairs with a V8 better than good tunes on a summer drive. Musical notes running dash. Chevy made sure this isn't just a straight-line monster. The 2026 Nova 454 rides on a performance-tuned suspension with magnetic ride control, Brembo brakes, and a limited slip differential. That means it can corner, brake, and grip with confidence, even when you push it hard. Safety, you bet. It comes with forward collision warning, rear-view camera, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and all the essentials, wrapped up in a performance package that still respects daily drivability. And let's talk price. The 2026 Nova 454 starts around $62,000, but for a modern muscle icon with heritage, power, and tech all in one, it's hard to argue. Plus, Chevy will offer it in a few special edition color schemes, like Inferno Red, Midnight Black, and Heritage Blue with racing stripes, just to crank the nostalgia to 11. So who's this car for? It's for the muscle car purist who wants to feel that classic V8 thunder, but with modern refinement. It's for the driver who remembers what it means to drive something raw, real, and unapologetically American. That's a wrap on the 2026 Chevy Nova 454. If you're as pumped as we are about this insane return, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Trend, because the muscle era never really ended, it's just getting started again. Biceps United States, stay fast, stay loud, and we'll catch you in the next gear.